Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Xbox app is not downloading or not installing games on to your Windows 11 computer, or this will apply in Windows 10 also guys. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. Go to apps. You need to select installed apps over here, and you need to search for here Xbox, and Xbox you need to select three dot icon over here and advanced option, click on it. In here you need to scroll down guys. If the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected, click on it. This hopefully resolve the problem guys. If you're still having an issue, we can try also reset the Xbox application. If this still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data delete will be deleted. Click on reset. Permanently delete the app data on this device, including your preference and sign in the details. Click on reset guys. After doing this, you definitely get resolved guys. If some people didn't get resolved, try this method guys. Final method, CMD search menu, and you need to click on run as administrator. Click on S. Now you need to type here sfc space slash scannow. Press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. After finishing this 100%, go and restart your PC guys. You should good to go guys. After that, thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thank you.